How you going, guys? Dave from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today you can see behind me, Lee and Kenny are working on the side of this Roadstar Caravan. Now it came into us for impact damage, but as you can see so far, we've repaired the framework. We're just putting on the external Durabond paneling and routering it all out. So further on in this video, you will see us with a completed side where we will refit all the checker plate to the side, router out the perimeter and start sealing on all your windows and fixtures. So if you guys have any questions on how we repair these vans, or you have a van that needs repair, get in contact with us and we'll be able to help you out as much as we can. Thanks, guys.